Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this box has finally arrived. This is from Annah Hariri. I've been waiting for this box for so long now, and I think among all of my online purchases, and I've been purchasing online for almost 2 years now, I think this one is the one that I'm most excited about. It's from Annah Hariri. I'm sure a lot of you have already heard of Annah Hariri, but if you haven't yet, then it's an online fashion brand based in Turkey, and they've been around for a couple of years now, I think 9 years. And a couple of years back, I've already visited their website because their dresses look so pretty, and the designs and the prints and everything, but I didn't order because they were too expensive, at least for me. But I think last year they've become more active on social media, and so I noticed that they've been coming out with new releases like every week or month or so. And I went to visit their website again, and I found that they reduced their prices, and the dresses are really so pretty and gorgeous. So I finally gave in. They were on buy one get one at that time, so I purchased 2 orders, and they're finally here. So I'm gonna unbox this, and I'm gonna try the dresses on later, and finally I'm gonna give you my honest review on the dresses and on the Annah Hariri brand and their customer service, or their service. So if you're planning to purchase from Annah Hariri anytime soon, then you might want to watch this video until the end. So let's do it. Let's unbox. But first, as usual, please like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button so you get notified whenever I have new videos. Okay, so let's start. So this is how the box looks like. This has 2 dresses. So it came the other day, I think March 31, but the delivery didn't, I was asleep, so they came back on April 1. And yeah, it's been here for a few days now, but I couldn't find time to shoot this, so I'm unboxing it now. It's now April 3. Okay, so there's 2 dresses here. I ordered 2 dresses. I wanted 2 dresses, but there were 4 dresses that I really liked. And so it took me some time to finally decide on 2 dresses, and these are finally decided on these 2. This is the white one, I think, is the Randa dress, and the pink one is the princess dress. So I'm just looking at it now, and it looks really pretty. And one thing about Annah Hariri, that's why I'm so excited to get these dresses, is that they not only look good on the pictures, like on the owner Annah Hariri herself, but I went to their Instagram and their stories, I saw that and in the website also, in the review section, a lot of clients and customers took pictures of the actual dresses, and they really look nice. So you know that it doesn't just look good on the pictures and the way they edit the pictures and that, but they actually really look good for normal people, like whatever race or age or size you are, they will look good. So this is the princess dress. Look, it's so pretty, fit for a princess. And it has a lining, so you won't have to worry about wearing some undershirt underneath. So this is how it looks like. And I remember also the other thing that convinced me to get these dresses is that, according to them, in their website, they can customize the dresses according to your preferences. Like, for example, the height. You see, you know, Annah Hariri, in her Instagram, you'll see her, she's very tall. I think she's part Russian or something, and she's very tall. So in one of their videos, she said that you can ask them to alter the length of the dresses according to your height. So when you order, you just enter or tell them your height, and they will reduce the length of the dresses. And then when they do that, they don't just cut the bottom part of the dress, but they also adjust the proportion of the dress, like for example this length over here from your shoulder to your waist. So I'm just gonna show it to you here. And later on, don't worry, I'm gonna try this on later. I'm gonna show you how it actually looks like on me. So it's really pretty. This is a princess dress. It's a light pink fabric with pretty floral details of blue and pink, and it's really lightweight. It doesn't look heavy at all, and but the fabric is kind of thin and see-through, but don't worry, it has a inner lining, so it's really nice. But it looks too dreamy. It's nice. This is the princess dress, and it comes with a belt. So I'm gonna try this on later, and I'm gonna show you the second one. This is the Randa dress, I think. This one's heavier than the other one. This one is very lightweight, and this one is heavier. I don't know why this is heavier. It's because of the skirt. This one has a more, I don't know what to call this, a full skirt, full circle skirt, I think, but the skirt is bigger. If you note it, this one is more like that. I don't know what you call that. This one is straight. The pink one is straight, like A-line, and so it's lighter. But this one is heavier, and the skirt is more like full circle. Oh, it has a belt. Sorry, it has a belt. So this is the belt is very thin. I don't know if this will, how many washes this will endure. So yeah, this is the Randa dress, and it's so pretty. And yeah, so I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna come back later, and I'll see you later. So this is how it looks like. And yes, they've altered the length. They customized the length for me. Again, I'm a 5'2½". And if you're wondering what size this is a US size 8. I wasn't too sure about my size because, like I said, I've just given birth a few months ago. So I'm not sure how long it'll take me to get back to normal size. If you remove the belt, then it still has a few inches left there for allowance here, the chest, the waist, and here. So yeah, it's nice. Love it. Okay, so this is the other dress. This is the Randa dress, and I think I like this one better than the other one because the skirt is more fuller, and the colors look like bolder and more vivid than the other one. The other one is more like, I don't know how to call that, but more dreamy, and this one's more bolder, I guess. And yeah, I think I like this one better, but I still do also like that so much, but this one definitely is my first choice among the two. And this is the Randa dress. Again, I'm a size US 8. I think I could do with US size 6 because I'm still trying to lose some weight right now, but yeah, this will still work. So here's my review of Annah Hariri. Let's start with the obvious first. If you've seen this video from the start, then you'll know that I really like their quality and their designs. If you go to their Instagram, you'll see that their dresses and their designs and their prints and their colors are very gorgeous. They're really nice. That's what attracted me to them. And if you look in her stories in Instagram, you'll see that she featured some of their clients wearing their actual dresses, and they really look pretty. Not, again, like I said, not just on Annah Hariri herself, but even even their clients, no matter the race and age and size, the dresses look really nice. And I think I've proved it just now. I've worn the dresses and they really look nice. Again, nice. Another feature that I like about them is that they offer to customize your dresses. Like you can, like for me, I told them my height, and obviously you saw that the dresses are just, the length of the dresses are just right for me. You can wear them with the heels, high heels, and even lower kind like kitten heels. They're okay. And yeah, they can customize your dress according to your height. And also the sleeves, I've read somewhere that you can ask them to make your dress wudu friendly, meaning the sleeves are bigger so that when you have to do wudu, then you don't have to remove your dress. And also for the new moms, they can make your dress breastfeeding friendly and maternity friendly. And yeah, and I also saw some pictures that these dresses are also maternity friendly. Not all, obviously, but depending on the cut and the shape of the dress, then you can still wear them even when you're pregnant. So yeah, that's good. In terms of quality, their dresses are nice. The designs, they consistently come up with new designs every week, I think, or month. But they always send updates through email of their new items. So that's quality. Let's go with quality, budget, and schedule. So for budget, they're a little more expensive than your regular dresses, at least for me. They're more expensive than Shein and Modanisa, which is also based in Turkey. Well, you can't really compare them because Modanisa has a very wide range of items. So they can go from as low as $10 to, I don't know how high, what's the highest price in Modanisa, but they, in general, for me, like comparing what I ordered from Modanisa and what I ordered from Annah Hariri, they are more expensive. They used to be, I don't want to tell the price, but just recently I saw in her Instagram account that they've reduced their prices, and it's not just sale, they've reduced their prices already. I don't know, maybe because of the current situation. So now it's more I don't want to say affordable, but it's, yeah. So if you really want to save up for it, then it's more possible to purchase 1 or 2 dresses from them now. So that's budget or price. And also for customs, I was shocked because when the delivery arrived, he asked for 70 riyals. 70 riyals is, how much is 70 riyals? Wait, if you say 4, I don't know. So when the delivery came, I was shocked because you asked for 70 riyals, and usually when I order from Modanisa, I only pay 20 riyals, so that's almost 4 times of the shipping cost. Well, I don't know, it's not shipping, of the customs cost or taxes that I pay from Modanisa. That's times 4. So I don't know why. Maybe it's because Modanisa uses Aramex and this one, Annah Hariri, uses UPS, so it's more expensive. Just keep that in mind. If you want to order from them, you have to shell out another 70 riyals. I don't know how much that is in dollars. I can't think properly right now. And yeah, for price, quality, price, and finally, schedule or service, or the time it takes to get your dress from the time that you purchased your order. So I'm gonna say it now. I placed my order on February 17, and I got my order on March. I got it on April 1, but the delivery guy actually came on March 31. So that's more than 1 month of waiting for me. If you have time and if you're not in a hurry, then by all means, go purchase from them. I think for me, personally, it was worth the wait. I really like the dresses, even if they came much longer than expected. In their website, they said they can ship the dresses within, I forgot, 6 to 12 or 9 to 12 business days. But this one took a month and a half, almost 2 months. Yeah, but for me, it's still worth the wait because the dresses are really gorgeous. And yeah, just keep that in mind if you plan to purchase from them. And I've seen some comments also in her Instagram account also asking about their order. So actually, I ordered on February 17, and after 2 weeks, I emailed them and they responded to me, I think after a day or 2, and they asked if I wanted a refund, which I didn't want because I wasn't in a hurry anyway. And then after a week or so, I think I emailed again and I got no response, and after 3 days I emailed again, I got no response, and then after a few days I got a response, which, like they said in their previous email, that they got more orders than expected. I think that's because of their sale, so it's taking them, so that's why it's taking more than the usual time to process my order. But at least I still got my order and I wasn't in a hurry to get these, and they're really worth the wait for me. So yeah, in terms of quality, good. The price is depends on you, and the time is, I don't know, maybe they're improving it now, because I saw a lot of comments I saw a few comments in their Instagram account saying the same thing, that they're not getting any response from their customer service and all that. So maybe I hope they're doing something about this, because yeah, I read in her Instagram that they've been receiving more and more orders because they've already reduced the price. So yeah, that's it. I already hear some crying over there, so I'm gonna cut it here now. So yeah, that's my review of Annah Hariri, and as usual, before I go, please like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button so you get notified whenever I have new videos. See you on my next video. Bye!